I welcome you to Speed Residential Campus at Chennai in MANGADU and a Speed Medical Village in Kanchipuram for your PG entrance preparation. The upcoming exam on July 2024. You have 3 months to go on. So we invite you for our crash course for expected questions and high yield series that is going to happen from the month of April. And this campus is specially designed and built and meant for preparation of PG entrance examination. And we have a beautiful ambience and an eco-friendly campus. And it is mentored personally by me, and I have trained more than 3.5 lakh doctors so far from 2002 to 2024 for various PG entrance examination and super specialty exams. It's a huge experience, and definitely I can guide you and I can mentor you, and also along with all the topmost faculties in the country and or giving these classes to you, and you will be able to get on to a quick T&D crash course for expected questions and the high yield series, image based questions and video based questions, so that those who have done the repeater year, has done already given NEET one or twice, it will be a grand revision for you. And those students who are freshers who want to just go for one grand attempt and a great attempt, you can use this course for your final and a quick revision, so that you can have a high productive results and outcome in the upcoming July 2024 NEET PG exam. So I wish this campus could give you the best of the faculty in the country, can give you the best of the peaceful atmosphere that you wanted without any distraction and disturbance. And you have a beautiful campus to go for walking, for cycling, for yoga, for meditation, and for all kind of sports. And also you have personal mentorship and you get motivated, you are guided in the right path, and so that there is a hand holding from you from the day you join the campus till you get on to your comfortable PG seat of your choice. So because of our experience we have done for past 20 years, we will be able to definitely guide you and definitely will help you to achieve your dream. So I wish all of you could join, because this is a competitive entrance examination. More than 1.5 lakh doctors appear for this national level NEET PG exam. To strike this exam, to get on to the good scores and the specialty of choice and the seat of the choice needs focus. And this focus comes in mental preparation, and you need to know what to prepare and how to prepare. This 200 odd questions from this 19 subjects, where it will be asked and how it will be asked, the experience that we have and I have that carries, that to motivate you and tell you this is what you need to know. And with that guidance, definitely you will be able to crack. And the history of the Speed Residential Campus in Chennai, Mangadu and Kanchipuram has almost 100% success rate. That means those students who come to this place go out with a seat. So that's what the history speaks. And you will also be able to experience once you come to this place, and you will go with a PG seat. And that I assure you on personally on behalf of the entire faculty member and the team of Speed. Once again, I welcome and look forward for your career and a course for the preparation for PG entrance examination at Speed Medical Village. And this preparation will suit you for an INICET PG or your NEET PG or an FMGE exam you're going to take or conducted by the National Board of Examinations. So once again, I wish you a great preparation ahead, and I welcome you to Speed Residential Campus in Chennai, in Mangadu and Speed Medical Village in Kanchipuram. See you soon.